Hi, I want to introduce you to the Strategy Project Guidelines and Rubric for TCH 209. So once you are in the Assignment Descriptions and Rubrics tab, open up the Strategy Project, and you can see here their guidelines, and then here's the rubric, and then this is the document where you found the link to this video. So click on the guidelines. And this is the description I gave you in class, and I'm just going to walk you through it again. I'm not going to read it word for word to you. But the purpose of this assignment is to learn about lots of reading strategies that can be used for lesson plans for your student. They can be used for reading and writing. We're going to find these strategies in the Improving Reading book. You're going to be with a small group that you're going to focus on the strategies from your particular chapter, and you're also going to find a research article that is on the same topic that has been published in the last 5 years. I'd like for you to find that article in a research journal at Milner, or I am allowing you to use Google Scholar. Please have any articles you find on Google Scholar okayed by me. So as a group, you're going to put together a presentation. You can use PowerPoint, you can use Prezi, but you're going to create a YouTube video that in that video you have a visual for us to follow. You're going to start out with an overview of the chapter, and then you're going to teach us about 4 strategies that you found to be the most intriguing that you think you actually will use from your chapter. You're going to describe each strategy to us and how to do it. The 4th of the 4 strategies, I would like for you to do a quick demo showing us how to actually do the strategy. I'll leave the creativity up to you as to how you would do that. Moving on, you can work together as a group. You can do that in many ways. You can meet in person. You can work over Google Docs. You can, however it works for you is totally fine. Each person has equal responsibility to the group, though, so you need to be carrying your weight for the presentation and the creation of the presentation. I would like for you then to create this YouTube video that you will then be naming. I would like for you to, you can certainly name it whatever you want to, and then you're going to email it to me under the name of the video. Because then in Edpuzzle, I'm going to search for your video and upload it to our Edpuzzle class. Once all of the presentations are in the Edpuzzle class, I will view them personally and I will assess you. And I'll show you that in just a minute on the rubric. But you then, as a student, will go on Edpuzzle and you will view the other 6 groups' strategy presentations. You don't have to view your own. You'll go on, view the videos. At the end of the video, I'm going to pose a question. It's going to be the same question at the end of everyone's videos, which is going to be, which strategy in this presentation did you find the most intriguing, or the one that you will use with your student, and how do you see yourself using it with your student, and why? This, as you scroll down, is a planning document if you plan to meet in person or if you wanted to document how you're meeting. It's certainly not required to use that. So then if we go back to the this page, you can open up the rubric and you can see this is the document that I'll be filling out for each group. I'd like for you to list your names here, every person who's in the group for the presentation, the topic of your presentation, the name of your Improving Reading chapter, and your article title. I'm going to take notes on your presentation of the first 3 strategies. I'd really like for you to, of course, give the name of the strategy, but also the page number that it's on, so viewers of your video can easily find it in the text. After that, I'm going to look at the 4th strategy you present, which is going to be the one that you're doing a demonstration on as to how to implement it. And then you're going to create a slide or some aspect of your presentation devoted to the article that you found. And I'm just going to be taking notes on the information that you shared about that article. For your presentation, all of that adds up to 70 points out of the 100. Then once you have uploaded your video, once the video is uploaded for you and you have viewed all of the other presentations, I'm going to go into those presentations and look at your responses. And you'll receive 5 points for each response for each of the other 6 videos, which is the other 30 points of the presentation, adding up to a total of 100 points. I'm not asking for a lengthy multi-paragraph response. I'm just wanting your initial thoughts as to which strategy you thought was the most intriguing and why, or you will use that with your student and how. So that is the explanation of the strategy project for TCH 209.